Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arca Garage video. Today I'm gonna be doing something fairly simple on my Alfa Romeo 166. I'm gonna be replacing these ICS knobs. As you can see, they are made from the rubber, and the rubber is deteriorating. It's falling apart. So essentially what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace these two with guitar knobs. So this is what I got. As I just said, they are guitar knobs and they are very cheap. They're made from metal. So I'm gonna use a couple of those to replace the factory ICS knobs. I'm gonna start by removing these. You can just pull them off. So I'm gonna remove these plastic inserts from the metal ones. You can see if I compare them to the ones on the ICS, they look a bit different. So I'm gonna use my flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna push it in and I'm slowly going to twist and at the same time pull out these plastics, just like that. Next I'm gonna take these factory knobs and I'm going to remove the outer layer of rubber. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these factory plastics inside the outer metal shell, but before I can do that I gotta sand them down so they can fit a bit easier. Now if I leave them like this, if I try to push them inside, there is a good chance that I'm going to break them. Alright, that's much better, but they are still a bit too long, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 2-3 millimeters off. Here's what I got so far. Last thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna press the plastic inside so the knobs fit flush with the ICS. It's important that you don't force them too much, otherwise you might break them. And here's the final result. I gotta admit, I'm more than happy with it. These metal knobs, in my opinion, look much better compared to those rubber factory ones. And that's pretty much it. Anyway, that would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.